Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 1 of financial and banking awareness for the month of March. This will be a continuous monthly MCQ series. I have uploaded January series and February series in the playlist section of my channel. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officer, IBPS Mains Exam, RRB Mains Exam, RBI Grade B Prelims Exam, RBI Assistant Mains Exam. We will cover banking and financial awareness of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have around 10 plus MCQs, and overall we will cover 50 plus MCQs per month in 4 parts. So this will be a good preparation for all of you. So the weightage of banking awareness and financial awareness in IBPS exams is, in IBPS mains exam, SBI mains exam, RBI assistant mains exam, around 15 plus question come from banking awareness section. In RBI grade B prelims exam, around 25 plus questions appear from this section. Before covering MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and bank headquarters. So Oriental Bank of Commerce and Union Bank of India are merged into Punjab National Bank. Syndicate merged into Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank merged into Indian Bank. Dena and Vijaya Bank merged into Bank of Baroda. So let's take a look at the shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters. So if bank name contains Bank of India in its name, its headquarter is in Mumbai. Example is Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank of India, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, and Reserve Bank of India. All these banks have their headquarter in Mumbai and they contain Bank of India in its name. If bank name starts with Indian, its headquarter is in Chennai. Like Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, they contain Indian in its name. Their name starts with Indian, so their headquarter is in Chennai. So it's a shortcut trick. If bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarter is in New Delhi. Like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. So it's a shortcut trick to remember headquarters. If bank name starts with United, its headquarter is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. Let's start our MCQ series with this question. Dash gave rupees 8,000 crores financial assistance for phase 4 of Delhi metro project. Japan gave this 8,000 crore assistance. Japan 8,000 crores phase 4 of Delhi metro project. Next question. Dash Bank launched the Startup Unnati for women entrepreneur. This is HDFC Bank. You can see in this picture. HDFC Bank Unnati Progress for Women Startup Unnati project for women entrepreneurs. Next question. Dash collaborated with Aqua Connect to provide Kisan credit card to aquaculture farmers. Bank of Baroda Aqua Connect. You can see in this picture Aqua Connect Bank of Baroda for aquaculture farmers. Next question. ICICI Bank CEO is Sandeep Bakshi. Its headquarter is in Mumbai. And what is its tagline? Its tagline is Hum hai na khayal aapka. Recently its headquarter was in Ahmedabad, but it's now being changed to Mumbai. What is the tagline of ICICI Bank? It's Hum hai na khayal aapka. Next question. Dash Bank signed India's first secured overnight financing rate linked with external commercial borrowing deal with IOCL, replacing World Bank's LIBOR. So that bank is State Bank of India. State Bank of India has signed first SOFR linked external commercial borrowing deal. What is SOFR? It is secured overnight financing rate. This is secured interbank overnight interest rate, and its reference rate established as an alternative to LIBOR. So LIBOR is being replaced by SOFR, London Interbank Offer Rate. It will be replaced in the year 2023 June. Next question. Dash Bank launched banking services through WhatsApp. So it's Axis Bank. You can see in the picture, Axis Bank is now on WhatsApp. So Axis Bank has launched banking services through WhatsApp. Next question. What is India's present mid-term inflation rate? Mid-term inflation rate target is 4%. India's present mid-term inflation target is 4%. Next question. What is RBI's present repo rate? RBI's present repo rate is 4%. RBI's present reverse repo rate is 3.35%. RBI's marginal standing facility rate, MSF. MSF rate is 4.25%. Reverse repo rate, it is 3.35%. Repo rate is 4%. It is very important. Marginal standing facility. It is usually 0.25% more than repo rate. MSF rate is 4.25. And there is another rate, it is bank rate. Bank rate is also 4.25%. What is the purpose of bank rate? It is the rate at which banks buy money from RBI for a short term period. So it is a short term credit arrangement by RBI for banks. So understandably, short term rate is higher than repo rate because it is for emergency purpose. So this is part 1 of March Banking Awareness MCQs. This series will continue till December. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.